Welcome back to our next video. So we are going to cover the menus and the ribbons. In this video, we did discuss the menus and the ribbons in our last video, but I just wanted to look a little deeper into the menus and the ribbons on our Excel worksheet. So moving quickly to our Excel worksheet. So please try to understand that the menus, the tabs that we actually talked about are actually inside the menu. So menu is just an accumulation of all the tabs. And the tabs, once you click on them, actually show multiple options down at the bottom in the ribbon. Let's just quickly look at the three most used tabs inside the menu. If you look at the home tab, which is one of the most used tabs, you would see options like clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, styles, cells, editing, and all of these are actually tab categories that give you access to multiple options that you require in order to perform different tasks in Excel. So while actually inside this home tab ribbon, it's important to highlight this additional functionality that you can actually get on every section of this ribbon. For example, if you look at the lower right corner of the font section of this ribbon, you would see this small sort of a button or an arrow that's sort of forcing you to pop something out. If you click on that, you would certainly have access to new options in a pop-up window. So this is the additional functionality inside every section of the ribbon. If you see this sign over here in the lower right corner, that means that there are more options that are not right now available or visible inside the ribbon, but you can always click over here and actually open up the pop-up window to see the additional functionality. And almost all these ribbon sections inside the home tab have actually these additional functionalities hidden, so you can actually always go down here and explore and look for something that can actually be useful in the future. So moving from the home menu and the ribbon, where we saw that we had the clipboard, the font, the alignment, the numbers, and the styles, and the cell editing options available. We're actually going to move to the insert menu, and in the insert menu ribbon you would actually see options related to tables, options related to illustrations, so you can actually add illustrations, pictures, shapes, and icons. You can actually also add in new add-ins that can become a part of your Excel and make your life a lot easier. Then you can actually insert charts from the insert section, and can also actually now add 3D maps to your Excel workbooks. The third most used option or the used tab on the menu is definitely the data tab. So if you click on the data tab, you would actually see the get and transform option. This is something if some of you have actually used Power BI, this is very similar now to what Power BI also offers. So there's a lot of similarity in terms of functionality now in Power BI and Excel. But of course, both the softwares have their limitations, and we're not going to get into that. But you have the get and transform data, option over here, and then you have the queries and connections, options available over here. And the queries and connections option is actually used once you have actually imported the data inside Excel by using the get data command from over here, you can actually also then nominate your data into different types that are available on Excel. You can actually then perform sort and filter functions on your data. And then we have the data tools section, which actually gives you access to the text to columns option, which is actually a very powerful tool that allows you to manipulate text and actually perform the slicing and dicing of textual data. I've actually used this tool a lot of times, and it's actually a real lifesaver. Then you have the forecast tab, where you have the what if analysis, uh, which is something that we will discuss in detail in one of our future lectures. Um, so this is the basic outlay that I wanted to discuss regarding our menus and ribbons, and I just wanted to give you an overview, a deeper overview of what is actually inside this ribbon, because you will be spending a lot of time as a data analyst going through this menu bar and actually performing a lot of predefined tasks that are available in this menu bar. So I'm gonna wrap this video over here and see you in the next lecture.